Altavas is a landlocked municipality in the coastal province of Aklan. The municipality has a land area of 109.05 square kilometers, or 40.10 square miles, which constitutes 6.19% of Aklan's total area. Its population, as determined by the 2020 census, was 25,639. This represented for 0.17% of the total population of Aklan province, or 0.32% of the overall population of the Western Visayas region. Based on these figures, the population density is computed at 235 inhabitants per square kilometre, or 609 inhabitants per square mile. Thank you for watching. God bless.